Welcome. In this video I will show you how to track sleep and improve sleep score on Apple Watch Series 11. First of all, make sure that both your Apple Watch and the iPhone that is paired with it are updated to the latest iOS version. To do that, go to the settings on both devices, then open General section, go to Software Update, check if there are any updates for your iPhone, and if there are any, then of course download and install them. Also go to About section and check the current iOS version of your device. On your Apple Watch, you have to press the digital crown right here to open the list of all apps. Scroll to the Settings app and open it, and in the Settings app you have to also scroll down to General section, then go to Software Update, check if there are any updates for your Apple Watch, then go to the About section and check your current watchOS version. Next, to enable the sleep tracking, you have to open the Watch application on your iPhone, so search for it in the app library, then open it, then scroll down until you reach the Apps section and now find the Sleep app on it. To track your sleep with Apple Watch, simply switch this toggle to the right, and next you're gonna have to set up a sleep schedule and sleep goals on your Apple Watch. Grab your Apple Watch, press the digital crown on it, scroll down to Sleep app, go right here. Now scroll through the settings or through the statistics that you can check in this app until you find the next schedule menu. Select your bedtime to add a schedule. Here at the top you can change your next wake up only, so you can change the wake up time, enable an alarm, and change the bedtime. And you can also reset schedule. Now to change the full schedule, you have to switch this toggle to the right and then set up your schedule just like for the one wake up only. So just select your bedtime, wake up time, select days active by switching the toggles next to the days that you want to use your sleep app. Change the wake up time. You can do this by scrolling your digital crown to change the value and tapping on the value you want to change on your screen, and tap OK to apply. Also switch an alarm on if you need it. Then you can also change the bedtime. You can do this in the very similar way in which you change the wake up time, and then just go back to apply the new schedule. At the very bottom of the screen you will find the sleep goal, which you can also change by selecting this value and changing the sleep time to the one that you need. Then also you can change the wind down time by selecting this menu and changing the value to the one that you need. And now to check the full statistics of your sleep, you have to use your iPhone, where you can also find the information about how to improve your sleep score. So on your iPhone, open the app library and search for the Health app, then open it. Here you have to open the Browse section in the bottom right corner of the screen, then find Sleep menu and open it. And here you can check your sleep scores by tapping right here. You can check basically a lot of information about your sleep, and if you want to learn how to improve your sleeping score, you will be able to find a bunch of very helpful articles. So here you can check how to get a sense of how well you're sleeping. Below there is an article about getting a good night's sleep, and below you can find the article why sleep is so important. But basic advice for improving your sleep score are creating a consistent sleep schedule, using sleep focus, and following your sleep goals. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.